Get ready to expand your everyday with the new Samsung Galaxy Z Fold5. It's the most advanced multitasking experience on a Galaxy smartphone yet. Open your favorite apps in an instant with the optimized Taskbar, holding up to 12 apps, including 4 of your most recent. Multi-window is your secret weapon when it comes to multitasking. Open up to 3 windows at once on the giant screen, while the all-new two-handed drag and drop lets you seamlessly move content between apps with both hands together. That's productivity at its finest. Our most portable S Pen is always ready for when your ideas flow. Write and sketch with complete precision and sync your canvas across all your devices with Samsung Notes. Device collaboration doesn't stop there with multi-control. Use a keyboard and mouse across multiple devices like your Galaxy Z Fold5 and Galaxy Tablet. You can also use your tablet as a second screen for a super efficient and fully portable work setup. And yet, it all fits into your pocket. The new Flex Hinge now leaves no gap, while the trimmed design makes it more portable than ever. There's no task too tough for the Galaxy Z Fold5.